get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah.
Try, Ralph.
I'll finish the cider first, but
Finish the cider?
I'll probably have the harvest time next.
Okay, yeah, the harvest time would be really great because it's so cold out and snowy, and you always work this up when you get home, right?
Yes.
And where's
Great
Carla?
chef.
I can't believe that you guys came all this way in the bad weather.
We always make it. Snow,
Snow,
rain,
sleet.
everything. We're
You're
here.
true winos. Oh, there she is. Hey, Carla! It's great to see you. It's great to be here.
We drove all the way to the city. How are you?
And you didn't have any trouble?
Nope, not at all.
You ready for your cider? Okay. Here's a glass for you. Thank you. Thank you for coming. I was wondering if you brand new apple frost. This is the ice wine, apple ice wine that Jonathan made. And in each bottle are a concentration of like 50 or 60 apples.
Wow.
Got a brand new label designed for it, and it's available only to Wino Club members and for people that are coming to the event. Because he made a very limited edition of it, and it's so, and you can't even taste it today.
I know.
So you have to wait.
The mountain top, walk on water. I got power, feel so royal. I'm second, I'ma strike for you. Diamond platinum, no more for you. Got adrenaline, never giving in. Giving up's not an option, gotta get it
Because you have something unique that we're winos and we went, we didn't see up there. They had very similar Chardonnays and very similar whatever, which was slightly different, but there was nothing
Not like
that
this, not the
was
fruits.
right. So you have that uniqueness from the apples and the orchards that
Yeah, and I know
nobody
you
has
guys do
there.
a lot of wine tasting. You go to a lot of places, and it's very, you know.
They had no ciders. There was
I know, there was no ciders at all.
No
We
ciders.
really appreciate, you know, how much you enjoy our wines. Absolutely.
And we kept saying, oh,
It's so important,
taste
and
like
it means
this?
a lot to have
Does it
people
taste
that
like-
really,
right.
you know.
does it taste like
Or-
Applewood? Blackberry? No, it doesn't taste like it. We kept comparing it.
So, one that we found that was close to what you had, which yours is better, was the Niagara grapes. Wherever
the
I see,
Indian.
wherever I see
the
Niagara
Indian.
grapes with the Indian, that's what I go for. But it doesn't taste like it did here.
Hi, how are you? Down the driveway, obviously.
Gotta love the life that we live in.
Tasting, and you can taste 5 wines from the list. And help you figure out what you want to try.
I didn't actually come for the wine. Yeah, we were gonna, but of course it was snowing, so we weren't gonna plan on going
These
out.
people came all the way from the city for the wine.
Yeah, but we came from the city too, but we're going up to the like bought tickets for that Headless Horseman haunted stuff with like attraction that's like up there. We don't know. So far it's open today, and I think we gotta go because otherwise we waste the tickets. And on the way we were gonna stop. Do you have like do you sell apples or apple cider donuts?
All that's finished now.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
the
finished.
apple orchard, actually last weekend was the last weekend.
Oh, it was.
Yeah.
Apple cider.
Just missed it.
It's just as good. Just as good.
Yeah, apple cider, we have harvest time, it's an apple wine that's got the mulling spice in it, something you can warm up.
Well, you know I'm not.
Yeah, I'll try.
You'll try?
Yes.
Okay.
Something sweet.
Okay. You're a sweetie?
Yes.
Okay, well, one of the popular whites that's sweet is this one, Wayanda White. That's made from the Cayuga grape. That's one of Carla's favorites, so if you want to start with that one.
Yes, I'll start with that one.
Okay. And I do apologize, we have these plastic tasting cups today because we have no electricity, no water.
Oh my God.
So all our power is out. So we can't wash glasses, but tastes just as good, right guys?
Yes.
They're regular customers and members of our wine club. So I don't know what you were drinking in that.
I mean, it's empty, yeah.
Do you want a little cracker or something to get the coffee
Yes, sure.
taste? You don't want the wine to taste like coffee when you try it. You don't drink
I don't drink anything.
water? No.
Well, I mean,
Nothing, okay. Well, that's all right.
This one's good.
Yeah, that's a nice fruity white.
Okay?
Don't forget my face. I know. By next week.
This is gonna be up there yesterday. They canceled too.
Oh, really? I haven't been out so long.
I haven't been, yeah, I haven't been either.
take care.
All right, thanks. Bye-bye.
I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling.